Connie with SimplySimpleStamping.com. I'm so glad you could join me for today's 2-minute tip, because today we're going to talk about how to take one stamp and how to get several colors on it. We're going to do that using our Stamparatus. I have got my little piece of cardstock here, and what I want to do is just go ahead and set my stamp. It's clean right now, so I'm going to go ahead and set that right there. I'm going to press my Stamparatus down. I always like to start with my lightest color, and I'm simply going to color on these 4 flowers right here. We're going to press that over and give it a press. Now look, not very impressive, is it? It's really not too great. I'm going to go over it one more time. And now we're getting a better coverage. Now my second color is going to be Melon Mambo, and we're going to repeat that process. And you can see it needs more ink coverage. Not a problem. We will go over it again. You notice I'm just using the side of my marker. I don't want to mush down the tip. Those tips are precious. So just use the side of your marker. That's looking better. All right, now it's time to come in with those leaves. And I'm going to use the Me Clover. And the one thing I have noticed with this technique, the darker the color, the more coverage you're going to want. So that's why I say sometimes it might just take 2 times. Other times it might take 3. I accidentally got some ink where I didn't want it. I can just come in with my Shammy and dab that off. We can go over it again. There we go. Our image is good. I can clean my stamp with my Shammy. And now I can take that stamped image and just add it to my card. Guys, the Stamparatus makes doing the ink to rubber technique so easy. Remember, you can find your Stamparatus at SimplySimpleStamping.com. Be sure to check it out. And thanks for checking out today's 2-Minute Tuesday tip.